So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So here we've got once again your favorite actual videos. You've got here the Apple Watch, you've got here Rolex GMT Master 2, and which one would I actually have? So personally, I think the actual Apple Watch Ultra has been the actual newest acquisition, and I think that it is true that it's 900 bucks, but you've got your bang for the buck. You've got great monitoring activity, sleep, heart rate, electrocardiogram activity. So it's just really great. Here you've got your Rolex, your typical actual Rolex. I think that it looks amazing, especially the actual Batgirl, like many of you want to call it, and I think it looks amazing. You've got inclusive 3 time zones. You've got the actual inner circle, the outer circle, which is used with the foreign actual hour to read the second time range, and you can actually calculate a third time zone. Either way, I think those are great pieces. Now, right now, the actual Apple Watch Ultra is getting really great use, in partly because the actual Apple Watch Ultra has 3 days of battery, and I think that's amazing. So we had previously the Apple Watch SE and the Apple Watch 10 series, and I just think that the Apple Watch Ultra is so much better in every single sense. I mean, it's really great. So as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below and let me know what you think. Apple Watch Ultra or Rolex GMT Master 2. Thank you very much for watching.